Hello and welcome to today's lesson.
Hello.
Do you know that all animals, whether big or small, wild or tame, belong to one big family? The animal family.
Yes, I do.
And do you know that all animals have one thing in common?
What is common among animals?
Well, they feed on other living things. Look at a tiger. What is it doing?
It's chasing a deer.
Yes, it's hungry, so it's looking for food. And what about the sheep and the goats over there?
They are eating grass.
You are right. All animals need to feed to stay alive. They feed on other living things to give them the energy to live. Some animals, for example, the deer, goat, sheep, and cows, eat plants, while others, like the lion, tigers, leopard, and snake, feed on other animals.
This is very interesting. But teacher, are there any type of animals that feed on both animals and plants?
Very good question, Turbo Girl. Yes, in fact, there are many animals that feed on both animals and plants. The most obvious example would be you and me. As human beings, we eat both animals and plants to keep us strong and healthy.
Oh yeah, I like to eat chicken and vegetables.
Other animals that eat both plants and animals include cats, dogs, ducks, chickens, and rats.
I see.
However, please keep in mind that those animals that I have mentioned here, whether meat eaters, plant eaters, or both, are but just some of the many animals living around us. To find out more, you will have to look it up in your science books or encyclopedias.
Okay, I think I know where my science book is.
Once you are familiar with what animals eat, try this. Other than the different food animals eat, I am sure you are aware that animals come in different shapes and sizes, right?
Of course I know. I see animals around me all the time. For example, the ants are very tiny and the elephants are huge. Not only do they come in different shapes and sizes, they come in different colors too. Some animals have only one color and some are very colorful.
Well done, Turbo Girl. To add on, we also need to know that animals live in different places. The turtles and fish live in water, while the rabbits and birds live on land. Animals that live on land build their homes in different places. Some live high up in the trees, some live in holes in the ground.
The moles and snakes live in holes in the ground?
Yes, they do. Now look at the frog. Can you tell me where they live?
Well, some frogs are in the water and some are on land.
Yes, some animals like the frog live on land and in water. Can you name some other animals that live on land and in water?
Like the crabs and turtles?
Yes, good. Can you think of as many words as you can to describe the way animals move?
Flying, galloping, running, and swimming?
Good. Some animals need a thick coat of hair to keep them warm. The sheep, for example, needs their wool to keep them warm. Some animals have an outer covering of scales like the fish and the snakes. Lobsters and crabs have an outer covering of shell. Others, like the swan and sparrows, have an outer covering of feathers. Look at these eggs. Where do they come from?
They look like hens' eggs and birds' eggs.
Good, you are right. Some animals have their young by laying eggs. Birds lay their eggs in nests. Turtles and crocodiles lay their eggs in sand. Fishes and frogs lay their eggs in water.
Do all animals reproduce in this way?
They certainly do not. Human beings give birth to their young. When the young are born, they can breathe, eat, respond, and move their body parts. Some other animals which give birth to their young are cows, dogs, and cats. Let's recall what you've learned.
All animals eat other living things for food. Animals are different in many ways. They are different in sizes, shapes, and colors. They live in different places. They move in different ways. They have different outer coverings. They eat different kinds of food. They reproduce in different ways.
Very good. See you again.